Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear students, today's topic is long, longer, and longest. Listen carefully. Long, the end-to-end measurement of length of an object that is greater in length than usual is known as long. Longer. When we compare length of two objects, if one object is more in length than the other, we say it is longer. Longest. When we compare length of more than two objects, the object that is longer in all is known as the longest. Look at the picture. The first rope is long. The second rope is longer. The third rope is longest. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.